Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stop loss on Kraken full guide. Open your Kraken account and go to trade, then pick the market and choose stop loss. Enter a clear trigger price, choose the size, and confirm the order to protect your position. Use percentage or absolute values depending on your plan. Check fees and leverage effects to avoid surprises while managing risk calmly and confidently. When choosing prices for a stop loss, think about volatility and your risk tolerance before placing orders. Use a percentage or a fixed price that fits your strategy and avoids normal market noise. Consider recent support levels and trade size to calculate a reasonable trigger point. Remember fees and potential slippage when using market versus limit executions to protect capital while keeping trades realistic and manageable. Quick pause. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, because tidy spaces help clear the mind for better trading focus. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider the gadget as a fun productivity boost. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Understanding order types helps you pick the right stop for each trade and market condition. A stop-loss market prioritizes execution, while stop-loss limit prioritizes price control, but may not fill. Trailing stops follow price improvements to lock gains and reduce manual adjustments. Match the order type to your strategy, account size, and liquidity of the asset to balance protection and execution certainty for smoother trading outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.